ginger and chili. And for the sauce, I already combined 1 4 cup oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and also some sesame oil. Let's start. I'm using 1 pan for my veggies and another one for my meat. The vegetables. That's enough with my beef. I can switch it off and just continue with my baby until it's softened. Gently mix them. Also the cornstarch. Smells so good. Can't wait to eat. Before I switch it off, I'm just sprinkling some sesame seeds and off the heat. Let's eat.